Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code P0069 indicates that there is a barometric pressure, BARO, sensor circuit range or performance problem in the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. The BARO sensor is a crucial component that is integrated into the powertrain control module, PCM, and is responsible for monitoring atmospheric pressure. This component plays a vital role, especially when the throttle valve is wide open, as it helps provide accurate data to the manifold absolute pressure, MAP sensor. When the throttle position exceeds a specified value, the PCM expects the differences between the MAP sensor and the BARO sensor outputs to fall within a normal range. If the variation exceeds the designated threshold, the PCM records the malfunction and triggers the P0069 code. Understanding the function of the BARO sensor and its relationship with other components is essential for an effective diagnosis. The barometric pressure BARO sensor monitors the atmospheric pressure that affects the engine's air-fuel mixture and overall performance. Integrated within the powertrain control module, PCM, it works closely with the manifold absolute pressure, MAP sensor, to deliver accurate data about engine performance during various driving conditions. The BARO sensor's main role is to provide the PCM with real-time data to adjust the engine parameters effectively. When the throttle is wide open, the values from both sensors should closely align. However, if a significant disparity is observed, particularly one exceeding 28 kilopascals or 8.1 inches of mercury, this indicates a malfunction. This problem is significant because it leads to reduced engine performance, triggering the DTC code P0069 and illuminating the malfunction indicator light, MIL. Knowing the exact location of these components is critical for efficient troubleshooting. The first potential cause for the DTC P0069 is a failure within the barometric pressure, BARO sensor itself. A malfunction in this sensor can arise due to internal faults, electrical issues, or sensor degradation over time. The second cause can be attributed to a clogged air cleaner element, which can lead to improper airflow into the engine. A blocked air cleaner restricts airflow, affecting air-fuel mixture calculations and potentially triggering sensor misreadings. Both issues require further investigation, as each can cause the PCM to misinterpret engine performance and atmospheric conditions. Addressing these causes is essential to restoring proper engine functionality and sensor accuracy. Several symptoms may present themselves when the DTC P0069 is active. One of the most noticeable signs is a reduction in engine performance, often experienced as sluggish acceleration or difficulties maintaining speed. Additionally, the malfunction indicator light, MIL, will illuminate, alerting the driver to an issue that needs immediate attention. Another common symptom could be an erratic or unstable engine idle, leading to vibrations or unexpected stalling. These symptoms often stem from inaccurate data being relayed to the PCM due to sensor discrepancies, affecting how the engine manages fuel and air intake. Recognizing these symptoms promptly is crucial for timely diagnosis and repair. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P0069 involves starting the engine and maintaining an engine speed of 3,000 revolutions per minute, RPM, without any load until the radiator fan activates. This process allows the system to operate under a variety of conditions, helping to gather data regarding the sensor outputs. It is essential to complete this step in a safe environment to prevent any potential hazards. After the fan engages, you should allow the engine to idle. This step is critical because idling allows further monitoring of the BARO and MAP sensor outputs as conditions stabilize. Collecting accurate data during this period is vital for determining whether the malfunction is intermittent or persistent. The next step for diagnosing DTC P0069 requires driving the vehicle under specific enabled conditions with a focus on the throttle position. The vehicle must be driven while ensuring that the throttle position remains within the defined limits, specifically between 12.0 and 31.5 degrees, and that the vehicle runs continuously for at least 2.5 seconds. This allows the PCM to accurately measure the difference between the BARO sensor and the MAP sensor outputs. Maintaining the throttle position is crucial for ensuring that any abnormalities are correctly logged in the PCM, which will help confirm whether the DTC is due to a sensor malfunction or other underlying issues. If conducted properly, this will aid in pinpointing the cause of the error code. After repairs are made, it is essential to clear the DTC from the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. This can be done using a diagnostic scan tool, which will also allow for reconfirmation of the BARO sensor functionality. Following the reset, a test drive should be performed under the same conditions that triggered the DTC initially, ensuring that both the BARO and MAP sensor outputs remain within normal limits will verify that the repair was successful. Monitoring other parameters, including engine performance and the illumination of the malfunction indicator light, MIL, is essential in this verification stage. Only by confirming that no new DTCs emerge can one be assured of a successful repair. Preventive maintenance is vital to avoid future issues related to DTC P0069. Regularly checking and replacing the air filter will ensure that airflow to the engine is not obstructed by debris or dirt buildup, thus maintaining optimal engine performance. Additionally, inspecting the connections to the BARO and MAP sensors can reveal any signs of wear, corrosion, or damaged wiring. Ensuring these connections are secure and free of obstructions helps prevent inaccuracies in sensor readings. Regularly scheduled diagnostic checks can also catch early signs of sensor degradation, allowing for timely replacements. Taking these steps will significantly reduce the likelihood of DTC P0069 re-emerging in the future. In summary, understanding DTC P0069 and its implications is essential for Honda Accord owners and technicians alike. Key symptoms include reduced engine performance, the illumination of the malfunction indicator light, MIL, and erratic engine idle, all of which necessitate prompt diagnostics. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps, such as testing under specific RPM conditions and verifying sensor outputs, the root cause can be addressed effectively. Moreover, preventive maintenance practices, such as regularly checking air filters and inspecting sensor conditions, are crucial for avoiding similar issues in the future. Ultimately, a proactive approach will ensure optimal performance of your Honda Accord, while minimizing the risk of malfunction. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.